In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully find and apply the best eBay coupon codes to save on your purchases. The steps are simple, but a little guidance can ensure you get the best deals. So let's dive in and start saving some money. Firstly, open your Chrome browser. It's important to mention that using a secure and reliable browser like Chrome can enhance your browsing experience with additional features for safety and usability. Once Chrome is open, navigate to any trusted coupon websites. These could include well-known sites where users frequent for deals and promotions. Ensuring a site is trusted helps protect you from outdated or illegitimate offers, which can be frustrating if not carefully managed. Now, in the search bar, type in best eBay coupon codes. This particular phrasing is helpful in directing your search toward not only the most effective, but also the freshest deals. Once you've hit enter, take the time to review the results. You'll likely find a list displayed with various coupon codes. Pay careful attention to each entry, focusing first on the potential savings they offer. Along with that, it's crucial to verify the valid dates of these codes. Expired coupons will not only waste your time, but could cause unnecessary disappointment when they don't function at checkout. After you've scrutinized the list and decided on the coupon offering the highest value within the valid time frame, go ahead and select it. Next, simply copy the chosen coupon code, making sure each character is precisely highlighted to avoid errors. With the code safely copied, you're ready to shop. Head over to eBay and start adding your desired products to your cart. Be mindful of any restrictions the coupon might have, such as minimum purchase requirements or category limitations, which can usually be found in the coupon's fine print. Once satisfied with your selections, proceed to the checkout process. At the checkout page, you'll typically find a section to enter your coupon code. Carefully paste in the code you previously copied. Double check it to ensure it's been entered correctly. Afterward, apply the code and watch for confirmation that the discount has been successfully applied to your order total. Finally, after confirming the discount is reflected in your new total, finish your purchase as you normally would. And there you have it. You've just efficiently navigated the process of using a coupon code on eBay to save money. This method not only helps to maximize your savings, but can make online shopping more enjoyable by helping you stay within budget. Hopefully, this video has empowered you with the knowledge and steps needed to capitalize on savings while shopping online. Now go forth and enjoy all the benefits of savvy shopping on eBay.